Fire Catchers. I'm Andrea York with Catch Fire Worship Flags, and I'm really excited to be releasing the new Transformation Collection. This collection is all about the metamorpho, that's the Greek word that the scripture uses, of being transfigured or being transformed. It actually is only used 4 times in scripture. One is where we're being transformed and moving from glory to glory, and then the other one is in Romans 12:2, that we're to be transformed, no longer be conformed to the ways of this world, but be transformed by Jesus. And then the other 2 instances, it's actually translated transfigured, and found out in the Gospels where Jesus is transfigured on the Mount of Transfiguration. And so this collection is all about what the work of Jesus in our lives as we proclaim and release with worship flags, the prophetic worship flags. We are setting the stage for our own transformation, but we're allowing others to come into this place of transformation, of surrender, so that we are transformed into the very likeness of Jesus, so that we go from glory to glory. And we're at the beach. It's been incredibly busy. It's hot now. I just wanted to introduce to you Jubilee, who is the dancer that has been helping me photograph and take some video of this new collection. So thanks, Jubilee. She's new to me, but she is just a wonderful and beautiful child of the Lord. She loves when I put the word out for a dancer to help me with this product. My requirements was I wanted a dancer who loved Jesus and who loved worship, and she responded so beautifully. And I just want to ask you, Jubilee, we've been working with these worship flags, and you are a worshiper yourself. You love to write music, you said, you love dancing, and you want to live for the Lord in doing those things, however that works. What did it feel like worshiping with these flags? Which one was your favorite?
It was beautiful with these flags. It was something new to me, but I really enjoyed the feeling of almost moving them and listening, especially singing a song in my head, helped a lot. Just like feeling every word on me.
That's fantastic. And let me ask you, what does transformation mean to you? I told you that I was going to be asking you this question, and so maybe you've been thinking about it. Let our whistlers know, what does transformation mean to you?
I think to me, transformation is like starting new. It's like you have a book, your life is a book, and you're flipping the page to something new. And it's not necessarily forgetting everything, but specifically transformation through Christ is you're becoming a different person with His guidance, and He's creating a path for you to walk down. And transformation is just a whole new person that's kind of created within you through Christ.
That is so beautiful and so well said. She's 15, folks, and that's a beautiful definition of transformation. Really, that is what this collection is all about. We hope that you enjoy it and that you elevate your praise to the next level with Catch Fire Worship Flags, and particularly the Transformation Collection.